Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you a holiday inspired makeup look. So you could either wear this for Christmas, for New Year's Eve, or any occasion you wanna wear it for. Also, I wanna wish you all a Merry Christmas because this is gonna be my last video before uploading for it's Christmas. So yeah, I hope you're all gonna have an amazing time. And yeah, I hope you enjoy watching the video. So the first thing I did was priming the eyelids, and then I went in with this kind of brownish mustardy color. I'll link all the color names of the eyeshadows I'm using today in the description bar. And I'm actually using a few of these same shades as I used in my previous video as well. If you haven't seen it yet, I will link it down in the description bar. But I just started with this color and blended this all in my crease area. I really wanted to make sure that I went all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner and drag it a little bit further away from my eyebrow, because I'm gonna create a cut crease with kind of like a winged shape, which you will see later in the video. But if you create a makeup look like this, you want to make sure that you blend enough eyeshadow like underneath the outer end of your brow, because we're gonna kind of include that part in the eye look. So make sure there's enough eyeshadow in that area as well. So I just continue to blend. I just keep adding more of the eyeshadow. I'm just slowly building it up by using more and more of that shade. And you can go as light or as dark as you want. I wanted to go quite dark because this is the only shade I'm gonna use for the crease. So this had to do all of it, what I wanted it to do, if that makes sense. So I just continued to blend, and then I went in with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. I use it in the shade NC15, and this is what I'm gonna use to carve out my crease. So this is what's gonna create that sharp line, which is gonna create that Faux cut crease effect. But it's also gonna count as a nice clear base for my eyelid, because as you can see right now, my eyelid is also covered in that brown shade that I used in my crease. So with the concealer, you can kind of make everything look clean and nice. So for any color you want to apply on your eyelid, you have a nice clean base to apply the products on. So as I said, at the outer part, I want to create that winged shape. I have done a lot of cut creases, and to be honest, every time I do this, it looks different. The wing is always gonna look a little bit different than other times, but you just have to practice with it. If you make the wing too low, you can always make it a bit higher, as you can see that I did. I just make sure to kind of connect it at the outer part of my brow. You can see it kind of connects together, and that was kind of what I was aiming for. So after applying the concealer, I just made sure that everything was nicely blended out with no creases, and then I used a matte white color and pressed this at the inner part of the eyelid. I tried to make sure to use as much as possible. I really wanted it to be as white as it could, so I went in with 3 layers, and I just really tried to press it and not blend it out too much, because I really wanted the shades to be packed on and not really blend it out. I just wanted to stay in place. Then I went in with this light color, which is kind of like a light shimmery shade, and I just used a little bit of this at the other part of where I don't have any product yet. So I used a little bit more in the center, and then with whatever was left on my brush, I blended it a little bit more towards that area where no eyeshadow is yet, like at the outer part of the eyelid where you can see me applying it right now. And I just used a flat brush for this. Whenever I do a cut crease, I prefer to use a brush instead of my finger, because I don't want the eyeshadow to get like accidentally on the brown eyeshadow below. No, not below, like in my crease, because that will kind of cover up that crease that we created. So I always try to be a little bit more neat. So now I went in with a golden shimmery metallic liquid liner. So this has a little sparkle in it, but it looks more like a metallic. And I'm just following that cut crease line that I created, which is really easy because I can just follow that line that I have already created. And it just creates a really cute effect. Then, because I wanted it to be a little bit more glittery, I went on top of it with a glitter from Dose of Colors. This was, I believe, from a Mickey Mouse collection, so I don't think it's still available. But let me know in the comments if you know a brand that has like really nicely pigmented glitter eyeliners, because if I want to do more videos using glitter eyeliner, I want to use a product that you guys can purchase if you want. So let me know if you know a good brand that has a really beautiful golden glitter liquid eyeliner. So I just followed the line again, just applied it on top of the golden eyeliner. Then I went in with the Huda Beauty liquid eyeliner, which is my current favorite. This is the eyeliner pen, so not the liquid. Well, they actually have two versions. This is the pen version, which has become one of my favorites. It has a super precise point, which is really nice. But I wanted to create a halo metallic liquid eyeliner effect today. So I just applied a little bit eyeliner at the inner part, as how I would normally do my eyeliner, and then also create the wing. And now I'm gonna kind of work from here. It probably looks a little bit weird right now, but you just want to start at the outer ends of your eyeliner, how you would normally create your wing liner look. Then you want to take a little bit of black eyeshadow and blend out the edges of what you just created. Then go in with a dark brown color and blend out the black edges. You kind of work from the outer part towards the inner part, and then at the inner part like, how do you say, in the center of your eyeliner, you want to go in with a super bright color. So I'm using that same one as I used all over the eyelid, but this time I made my brush a little bit wet, so it looks a lot more intense. So I'm gonna pop this like right in the center, only in the center. I'm not gonna blend it out yet. I'm gonna use this color, which I used all the way at the beginning of the video to blend in my crease, and use a tiny bit of that and blend it to connect like the brown with the inner corner towards the black. It's kind of hard for me to explain, but hopefully by seeing me doing it, it makes sense. I popped a little bit of a glitter eyeshadow in the center, and then to make it even more glittery and to kind of match with the color of the golden in my crease, I also used that same glittery eyeliner to match up everything. So far, I think it looks really cute. I'm happy that I went in with that golden glitter liquid eyeliner, so all the colors really match up. Then I went back in with that brown and just the two brown colors that I just used for that eyeliner, and I wanted to use the same combination of those two shades for the lower lash line as well, so everything matches up. So I used the same combination again to blend it out as well. And I just continued to blend until everything was looking nice and smoky blended out. And then after that, I went in with the Makeup by Mario soft brown eye pencil, which is one of my favorites. It's super pretty. The undertone of the pencil is a little bit more reddish brown, but at the end result, it doesn't really matter. It does look good in combination with the other shades. So I went in with a little bit more of the white matte shades. And popped a little bit of that in the inner corner and underneath the eyebrow to highlight a little bit. Then I went in with the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, which is my personal favorite mascara. I really like it. I did apply a very thin cover of it on the upper lashes because I am going in with fake lashes, so they're gonna cover it up anyway. I went in with these beautiful lashes from R.E.M. Beauty, which is by Ariana Grande. This lash style is super beautiful. I absolutely love it. I'll put the name of it in the description bar. So I applied the lashes, and yeah, that's already the last step of the eye look. And this eye look is inspired for Christmas or New Year's Eve, but honestly, I think this will be beautiful as bridal makeup, or if you have a birthday party or any occasion you want to wear it for. So yeah, I hope this video will give you some inspiration. Once again, I wish you all a Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for the support this year. You guys are incredible. I really appreciate it, and yeah, just wish you all the best time, and hopefully I will see you after Christmas, and I will upload lots of more videos for New Year's Eve. So hopefully I will see you then. Bye guys!